So now let's learn about the boilerplate elements. So in this, before starting creation of the web page, we must know what is boilerplate and what are the elements or what are the tags we are going to use in this video. So let's get started. The boilerplate. First tag in the boilerplate you can see is the doc type HTML. This tag is used to tell the browser that we are using HTML as the markup language, as easy as that. So as I've told, this tag is just used to tell the browser that we are using HTML as a markup language, and we need to mention that at the beginning of our code. So that is it. Next, HTML opening and closing tag. You can see over here there are two tags, first at the second line and at the last line. So this is a kind of a container that is used to store all the code inside, and head opening and head closing tag. This tag section is used to store the metadata, or you can say links, and all the external file that we connect to the HTML code. If you don't understand about this, we will talk about it later when we learn CSS, bootstrap and all those stuff. Next tag section is body opening tag and body closing tag. This tag section is used to store all the elements like text, images, videos that you put in your web page, and all those stuff is stored in the body section. Next tag is the title tag. This tag is placed in the head section, and it is used to add the name to your tab of the browser. If you can't understand this, I will show you a practical further. So next, let's learn what are the tags that we are going to use to add text or heading in paragraphs. So there are 6 header tags in HTML. They are simple to learn, H1 to H6, and the H1 is the biggest, as you can see over here, and the H1 is biggest and the H6 is the smallest. And if you want to write a paragraph, just add the opening and closing P tag, and inside place all the text that you want to add in a single paragraph.